Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones ThinkPlus TW60B. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now click on it at the device list. And we did it. But if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So just put your headphones to the charging case. Now it should not connected, yeah, and remove it from the charging case. And it should be connected. Here we go. But if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add the headphones. So, put your headphones to the charging case. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And after that, remove your headphones from the charging case. Now it entered pairing mode automatically, so then click on it at the device list. We did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press both of the earbuds 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now put it... Oh, okay, I didn't. Let's make it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now put it to the charging case. And after that, click the information icon or the settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device and then remove it from the charging case. Now click on it as the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!